Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So sorry for the absence, but who cares? So today I have a very good tip for you guys. It's related to clearing up your storage from a bunch of useless files or files that you don't use anymore. So that's just like what I did. Let me just redo for you very quickly. Go to the start menu and type storage, and the first result will be storage settings. Or if it's not, you could just type storage settings by yourself, and it's gonna calculate how much stuff you have, specifically storage settings. It can automatically free up space by getting rid of files you don't need. For example, temporary files and content in your recycled bin. So in my case, I don't have anything in my recycled bin. I could just empty it. And that's what I do all the time before shutting down my computer. And as you can see, I got a lot of apps and features, so I'm just going to click on that. And it's going to give me a bunch of lists, a list that shows every single thing that is related to applications. So, yep, there's quite a lot of stuff. Let me see the Microsoft Store, for example, the Microsoft Store. Um, that's one of the applications that you cannot uninstall. Pretty sure, right? Yep, you can't uninstall that because it's, integrated and you're already in your computer. But that's the first thing. Once that's done, you can then go to Other, and you can check some other stuff. So VirtualBox VMs, what could be in there? Windows 8.1. Oh yeah, so this definitely. Oh, sorry, that. So this is the one of the many things that take up some space. 6 gigs. I don't really like it, so I'm just gonna do this. This only has useless stuff. So now, if we go back to the page, will it show up? Nope, it didn't. Okay, well, who cares? At the end of the day, it will, videos, 6.15 gigs. I'm not going to show anything here because it's pretty much private. Then you got the temporary files, which it will eventually scan and will, as you can see up top here, gives you a description. Some temporary files are needed by apps. Below is a list of files you can remove now. So, for example, deliver optimization files. It's taking almost a gigabyte, which is not very fun. So it's better for you to do it almost once a week, once maybe I don't know a month, maybe no, not once a month, but once every 2 weeks. So yeah, it's gonna finish eventually. It'll finish, as you can see. You could take the recycle bin, you could take the optimization file, optimization was it called? Deliver optimization, and you could just click remove files, and then it's just gonna start getting off. So in total, this is quite a lot of junk, especially this one up here, 2.94 gigabytes, which is obviously a lot for any computer, if we're gonna be real. So yep, that's how to manage your storage. And most importantly, clean up some useless files or files that are not useful or good anymore. Thank you for watching, and bye.